Hello! Today we're going to do a simple knotted bun tutorial. So you're going to start by gathering all your hair and you're going to do a ponytail, but instead of doing a complete ponytail, you're going to just pull the hair through, but not all the way, and then you're going to leave some of it out. As you can see here, you're going to grab the leftover hair, pull it around, and then tuck it behind. And now you're going to start pinning that. And you want to make sure it's all secure. It doesn't matter how many bobby pins you use. I do recommend using the same color bobby pins as your hair color. That way it's all hidden. Now that it feels secure, we can begin to start pulling different areas to create that effortless look. I would carefully pull areas from the crown to create volume, the sides, the looped area around the bun, also the bun, and then pulling out any areas from the front that you want to leave out to create that face frame. And there you have a simple knotted bun. Hope you enjoy this hairstyle. Please like and subscribe and watch for more hair tutorials. Bye-bye.